In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download videos on Amazon Prime Video. If you want to watch your favorite movies and shows without an internet connection, downloading them directly in the Prime Video app is the simplest way. On a phone or tablet, start by opening the Prime Video app and finding the movie or TV series you want. Look for the download icon, usually a small downward arrow next to the title or episode. Tap it and you'll be asked to choose a quality level: Best, Better, or Good. Best gives you the highest video quality but takes up more storage and takes longer to download. Good saves space and finishes faster, which can be ideal on smaller devices. I recommend connecting to Wi-Fi before you begin so you don't burn through mobile data. Once you've made your choice, just wait for the download to complete. When it's done, head to the Downloads tab in the app to find everything you've saved. You can watch from there anytime, even with no internet at all. If you want to download on a laptop or desktop, you can't do it from a web browser. The download button won't appear on the website. You need the Prime Video app for Windows or Mac OS. After installing the app and signing in, the process is the same as on mobile. Find your title, tap the download icon, pick your quality, and wait for it to finish. On most smart TVs, downloading isn't supported. You can stream as usual, but offline viewing is not available on TV apps. There are a few important details to keep in mind. Not every title offers a download option. Availability depends on licensing, and it can vary by region. Downloads typically remain on your device for about 30 days. Once you start watching a downloaded video, you'll usually have about 48 hours to finish it before it expires. All downloads stay inside the Prime Video app and can't be transferred to other apps or copied to external storage. There's also a limit to how many videos you can have at once, often in the range of 15 to 25, depending on your account and region. A couple of quick tips to manage space and avoid surprises. Choose a lower quality if you're tight on storage, and periodically remove finished downloads from the Downloads tab to free up room for new ones. If a title expires, you can often renew the download by reconnecting to the internet and tapping the refresh or download button again, as long as it's still eligible. That's it. With the Prime Video app, downloading for offline viewing is straightforward and reliable.